Phillips. Kawachako eneo Obila ma Nairobi koro wacho ni gisendhiyo maromo achije 241 mag maundu mosebedo ka chando oganda e chuny bomano. Jatend Obila George Seda kata kamano singo ni arita oseridi kendo onge tiende jopiny bedo kod kiondko. To kaka jafwambo mar Ramogi Kowenga lero jopiny buora koro seyo mokalo Obila ma Nairobi kuom yulo e tich.
Jodak e kaunti ma Nairobi kuom kinde osebedo ka matek e lwet jonjore ma yande opore chuny boma Nairobi. Jonjore go osebedo kama oganda odiochieng' e lela gi otieno ma onge luoro kendo gitiyo gi agoko ka gihinyo jogo ma gimayo mwandu magi.
Tumekuja kwa huzuni kusema ya kwamba iko insecurity. Insecurity in Nairobi is just one thing. Watoto wanaua wengine, wanapiga wengine, wananyang'anya wamama na wananyang'anya wamama in broad daylight, mchana peupe.
Kaka okang' mar kedo kod timbe maundu e chuny boma, riwruok mar bodaboda bende koro chiwre mano ni timbe mag kwalo oganda kaachiel kod hinyo jopiny odwok chien.
Zile bodaboda ambazo ziko CBD ambazo haziko kwa stage zao, sisi tunajua stage zetu na zile stage ambazo tulipewa na governor tunajua. Kwa hivyo tunaomba His Excellency Joseph Sagaja, our governor, utie mkazo ili vile tulikubaliana na mobility na operation directors, bodaboda zile ambazo ziko kwa sako siondolewe CBD.
Etok margi gi jofwamb weche kotel ko jatend Obila ma Nairobi George Seda, Obila oketelelo kenge magiso kao ne achije ma jomaundugo.
But nonetheless, it is not late. We are on top of issues. In the CBD, we have enhanced our operations by bringing more of the officers. Since the other time you saw by the night time and daytime, there are a lot of crackdowns we have done. We have got a lot of people who are idle within this town, having no any other work they do. Theirs is to time those people who are very innocent.
Jodak ywak ni jonjore go gin rowere maraga mang'eny gi osebedo ka kwecho chuny boma Nairobi, to moko bende gin jogo marwakre maler mang'eyo kapo ni gin jonjore mageto gi tek. Kalore kod jatend Obila ma Nairobi ma hewa achije 200 osendhi kendo ibiro chwal gi doho.
Polisi ndio wamejaribu, lakini sasa polisi na sisi pia activists tumewaweka rada. Wakishika hawa wakipeleka ndani tunaenda kuwatoa. Ile kitu nashangaa ni kwamba wewe mtoto ameua, mtoto amefanya dhambi, unaenda kumtetea.
Wakora wametokea from nowhere, all of a sudden inakuwa ni kama ni goons ambao wanatumika ili wachafue jina ya viongozi wetu ambao wamekuwa wakiweka security for so long. Otherwise tuko pamoja na serikali na tutashirikiana na tumekuwa tukishirikiana, ndio hao wahalifu tumekuwa tukikamata mmoja hivi na tunawafikisha Central.
Timaundu semiyo chuny oganda hinyato johala goyo kibikibi matamre gi nono.
As we speak now, and as can be visualized by other people, CBD is safe. That's my assurance, CBD is safe. Businesses are going on as usual. Businesses are going on as usual. Police visibility is enhanced as usual. And the police visibility contains all agencies of police which are supposed to undertake the various aspects of ensuring this city is very safe.
Kowenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.